Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to activate a Google Fi SIM card on an iPhone. Most popular phones are compatible with Google Fi. If you are not sure whether you can use Google Fi on your phone, you can check your phone's compatibility, and unlocked devices must be used with Google Fi. If you bought your phone through Google Fi or the Google Store, your device is unlocked. If you aren't sure whether your phone is unlocked, contact your carrier or the place you bought your phone. You must start your device activation within the app. After you download it, tap the Google Fi app to open it. On your device, download the Google Fi app. The Google Fi app performs device and compatibility checks. If both are compatible, tap Get Started. If either are incompatible, you can get an error. In this case, you can order a physical SIM card or upgrade your iPhone. You should have a second device available for this process so that you can use your iPhone to scan a QR code. On your device, connect to a Wi-Fi network. On a second device, like a computer or tablet, go to this website. Sign into the account of the user whose device you want to activate. On the Google Fi account, open Settings. Select Cellular, add cellular plans. With the iPhone you want to activate Google Fi on, scan the QR code. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap Add Cellular Plan. Set your Google Fi profile as the primary cellular profile. Update your network settings. On the device you want to activate, open Settings. Tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Network. Enter this text into your settings field. Optional, Personal Hotspot. To get service, you must complete all steps within the Google Fi app. The app walks you through plan activation, phone number setup, your preferences. Make sure you sign into your Google Fi account and not another Google account. If you sign into the wrong account, scan a new code. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings. Tap Cellular, then the plan you want to erase or remove cellular plan. Delete the current eSIM from the device. Sign into the correct account. Scan a new QR code. If the QR code doesn't work, delete the current eSIM. Reload the QR code page. Scan the new QR code. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.